Hello guys, welcome back to Chef Lee Food Channel. I'm Chef Lee, and today we're going to be giving you some simple recipe on how to make some simple stir-fry noodles. Today I'll be using some leftover vegetables that I have in my freezer. So feel free to use any vegetable you can access, but this is what I have in my fridge, so I'm putting everything together. Hope you are going to like this recipe. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, so whenever we drop a video like this, you'll be the first to know. And if you get any value from this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share. Thank you. So guys, in order not to make this video too long, we've already prepped all the vegetables and the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe. So come with me to the table. Here we have our bonnet peppers, we have the yellow, red, green, we have our carrot. You can see that all already diced. We have a little bit of cabbage, broccoli. I have some broccoli left in my freezer, so I decided to throw it in. Minced garlic, ginger paste, spring onions, shredded chicken. I have my blended onions. Like you guys must have known by now, I like blending my onions. Of course, I have my noodles. You can use any noodles of your choice. Light soy sauce and my oyster sauce. We have our vegetable oil. We have our salt. We have our seasoning cube and some noodle spices. And of course, we have our bonnet pepper, yellow kind. We like it to be hot. So guys, let's put our noodles on fire. Let's bring water to a boil. So once water starts to boil, we can then add our noodles. But while we're waiting for the water to boil, let's go over and marinate our chicken for frying. Okay, let's add a tablespoon of the blended onions. Next, we add some minced garlic. Add our ginger paste, a little bit of salt, add some light soy sauce, add a little bit of seasoning cube. So we mix everything together. So guys, our water is boiling, so let's add our noodles. Let's add our noodles and allow it to boil for some few minutes. So our indomie is al dente, so let's filter it and put it aside. So guys, let's put everything together. Let's add some vegetable oil. You do this on low to medium heat so it won't get burnt. So first of all, we're going with our ginger. I'm adding some of my blended onions. Onions. Next, we go in with our marinated chicken. So let's allow the chicken to fry while stirring occasionally. Let's add some of those ginger paste. Ginger makes stir fries to taste so good. Let's add a little bit of the dark soy sauce. So next, we are going to cover it a bit and allow the chicken to cook a bit before we add our vegetables. Okay guys, the chicken is okay now. So let's go in with our veggies. So first, I'm going to add my broccoli. Next, my carrots. It's going to be so colorful. That's why it's a stir fry. Lots of veggies. I have lots of leftover veggies in my fridge. So I'm going to throw all of them in here. So let's add the remaining spring onions. Adding my cabbage. I'm going in with the bell pepper. So I'm going to add some of the noodle spices. And next I'm going to add some bonnet pepper just for the heat. So I'm going to add some oyster sauce. This smells so nice. So guys, now let's add our noodles and mix everything together. Okay guys, we are done. At this point you can put off the fire and the noodle is ready to be served.